Hello everyone, this is the RPA Bot Builders YouTube channel. On this channel we show you how easy it is to build RPA bots using the A2019 Automation Anywhere software. Today I want to show you another feature of A2019 called Bot Insight. This allows us to analyze any tagged variables within a bot. Let's create a bot. We want to analyze multiple data across multiple files, so we will need a loop. This loop will loop through each file in a folder of your choice. Copy and paste the file location. You will then need to create a dictionary variable which will point to each file name and extensions as it loops through the folder. There are predefined keys, name and extension, that we will utilize for this particular dictionary variable. You can view our video on dictionary variables if you need to refresh your memory on those. You will then need a second loop placed within the first loop. We now need to loop through each row in a CSV since the files where my information is are CSV files. We then need to create a record variable, which indicates the column within the data we want to pull the data from. We need to assign the data we want from the file to a string variable, so it can be read by Bot Insight. Make sure to drag it inside the CSV loop. Now we need the column of the data we want. Indexes start at 0. So if we want to analyze the states across all these files, we will specify that it is an index 4 by using the record variable we created. Then we will create the string variable and name it accordingly. Before we continue, let's add in the Open CSV action so the bot knows which CSV it's pulling data from. This will go just before the CSV loop and will be inside the file loop. Pick one of the files that will be opened. And then we will change the name and extension to the dictionary variable key values. When you select Dictionary, you will first type in name, put a period, and then select our dictionary variable again, but this time put extension. This enables the Open CSV command to open each file as it loops through the folder. Select Contains Headers if applicable. Now let's take a look at some more data from these CSV files. You can continue to drag and drop the string assign action, or you can copy and paste the string assign action and change the details. In addition to state, I want to look at gender, department, and salary. Gender is in column 10, accounting for the index starting at 0. Do the same for the other values you want to analyze. Now we want to tell the bot to analyze the data. Drag in the Open Analyze action just above the Open CSV action. Then drag the Analyze Close action inside but at the end of the CSV loop. Now we are ready to run the bot. Once it finishes, we can now press the Analyze button at the top and see our newly created dashboard. We are able to analyze the data we selected from our files in a visually appealing way. States are put in a color-coded map. You can see values like state in other formats as well, such as the donut graph here. This can easily be changed to display any of your other tagged variables in various chart types. You can then zoom in on individual graphs. You can also see the profile of the variable used in your Insight dashboard, as well as the rank of the data within each variable. Preview data will give you a table of all the data corresponding to each variable. The more times you run your analytics bot, the more the data will change over time, so you can discover trends in your data. And that is a simple overview of Bot Insight. If you want to know how to create more bots using the A2019 Automation Anywhere software, please go ahead and follow our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section. See you next time in our next bot building video.